Hello again! To use AI effectively in your marketing workflows requires it to remember your brand preferences, and when it doesn't, it slows you down. AI should make your workflow more efficient and constantly improve your marketing. In this video, we are going to show you how, with Active Intelligence 2.8, AI finally remembers who you are and carry those preferences over into every email campaign and automation you build. On top of that, I will show you how AI can find and use your top performing emails as a blueprint for every future email you make. One element to creating successful on-brand marketing is figuring out your brand's voice, tone, and who your audience is, and then building your messaging around that. Only now, you don't have to continuously reference those guidelines to build your emails. Custom instructions let you set those rules once. Your brand voice, your audience, your format preference, and memory allows you to build on every session that follows. Now, if you're ready, open your account and let's get started. First thing we need to do is to set up the custom instructions. Click into Customize your AI, Instructions, and here you can add the rules you wish. For example, I run a property care brand. It's easier for our audience to connect with us when we speak to them in a warm and educational tone, like they were learning from their dad or grandparents. Keep email under 150 words. My audience is homeowners who care about seasonal maintenance. Now, these rules will be applied to everything moving forward. You can also use Active Intelligence to create your custom instructions for you by prompting, create custom instructions for my brand in under 4,000 characters. Make sure that you have already implemented your brand kit into the account. After that, Active Intelligence will generate your custom instructions with tone of voice, content style, email campaigns, and all the other rules. Feel free to edit as you wish. You can copy the generated content, go back into Customize your AI, Instructions, and paste all the rules in here. You can also use your favorite AI tools like Gemini, Claude, or ChatGPT to create the custom instructions for your brand for you. Now let's prompt with those rules applied. Create 3 engagement emails and reference my website. No re-explaining, no reformatting. The tone is right, the structure is right, and the image looks like it was made for this brand. Because it was. Now, with Active Intelligence 2.8, you can reference a high-performing past campaign when you build your automation, and Active Intelligence matches the layout, the voice, and the structure across every email in the sequence. Your best work becomes the benchmark for everything that follows. Now, let's practice a little more. I will prompt, turn my onboarding email, select the Add Context feature, and select the campaign I want to use as the reference. And continue prompting. Turn them into 2 email welcome series. Day 1, warm welcome. Day 3, project education. Add an SMS follow-up after day 7. And here you can see Active Intelligence doing its thing. My whole automation is set up with trigger, emails, wait steps, and the SMS. The emails are on brand and automatically formatted to match the style and structure of my original email. And the SMS is already written and in the right place. Another cool feature is Active Intelligence User Memory. It learns your preferences as you chat, so you do not have to repeat yourself across sessions. You do not need to go to a settings page to create a memory. Instead, you state your preference directly in a conversation with Active Intelligence. For example, never include emojis in subject lines. Active Intelligence will understand your preference, and going forward, that memory will be saved and implemented in every single action you take. Active Intelligence recognizes natural language commands such as always do this, never do that, from now on, and the memories are saved at a user level. And that's it! Your brand shouldn't reset every time you open Active Intelligence. Set up your rules once, reference what worked, and every campaign that follows arrives already knowing who you are. To learn more about all the new features we are releasing, check out the links in the video's resources in the description. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got any questions, just add them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time.